Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make ginger and chili pickle. First, gather your fresh ingredients, about 200 grams of ginger and 100 grams of green chilies. You'll also need the juice of 2 lemons. For spices, have on hand 50 milliliters of mustard oil, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Don't forget salt, a pinch of asafoetida, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now, let's prepare the ingredients. Start by washing the ginger and green chilies thoroughly, then ensure they are completely dry to prevent spoilage. Next, peel the ginger and chop both the ginger and chilies into small, uniform pieces. In a clean bowl, combine the chopped ginger and chilies with 2 teaspoons of salt and the fresh juice from 2 lemons. Mix everything well to coat evenly. The next step involves tempering the spices. Heat 50 milliliters of mustard oil in a small pan until it just begins to smoke. Turn off the heat and let it cool slightly. Then, add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and a pinch of asafoetida to the warm oil. Once the seeds splutter, pour this aromatic oil directly over your ginger and chili mixture. Stir everything together thoroughly to ensure all ingredients are well combined. To finish your delicious pickle, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder to the mixture. Stir everything well until the spices are evenly distributed and the pickle has a vibrant color. Transfer your freshly made ginger and chili pickle into a clean, sterilized, and airtight glass jar. Store it in a cool, dry place. It's ready to enjoy after a day or two, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. For more great kitchen tools and deals, including those fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.